Hello students, welcome back to another lesson online. Today we're going to be working with percentages. So this is probably a new concept for some of you, but it's not that difficult if you understand decimals and fractions. So this is what I call percentages, is the connection between decimals and fractions actually. So if we know any one of those, we're going to be in a good standing. So the word percentage comes from percent, which is por cien, which also means de cien. So percentage is based on 100, and that is the key word here, 100. So for example, if you have 8 out of 100, that means that you have 800, which is this decimal form, which means that you have 8%. 8% means 100 or 8 out of 100. And now you can see how a percentage can also be written as a fraction and also as a decimal. Let's look at another example. So you have 50 hundredth. Well, that's going to be 50%. 2 out of 100, 200. That is going to be 2%. 14 out of 100. Guess what? 14%. 80 out of 100. Guess what? That is 80%. Okay, so that's very simple. Now, if you're going to write the decimal form, yeah, sure. You can always do, let me use a different color. This one would be 0.50, right, which is 50%. This one would be 0.02, 200th, 0.14, 1400th, and 0.80, 800th, right there. As simple as that. Okay. But what if my denominators are different? Ooh. Now it's kind of interesting, right? Well, don't worry about it. All you have to do is, can you make 2000? How can you do that? Well, if I multiply them by 5, so you multiply both numbers by 5. Can you make 400? Yeah, if you multiply by 25. If you multiply 4 times 25, that's 100. So you multiply both of them by 25. Can you make 10 hundredths? Oh yeah, that's easy. You multiply by 10. And then 25 by 100, yeah, you multiply by 4. So let's go over that real quick. So let me use purple. So I'm going to multiply both of them by 5. 3 times 5 is 15. 5 times 20 is 100. That is going to be equal 15%. Right there. For the next one, I am going to multiply both of them by 25. 25 times 1 is 25. 25 times 4 is going to be 100. So this is equal to 25%. There you go, 2500th, which is 2500th, right? 10, I am going to multiply both of them by 10. That is going to be 80 hundredth, which is 80%. And 9 times 4, that's going to be 100. And 36, which is the same as 36%. And there you go. I hope you liked it. Go ahead and take the test and let me know how you do. Let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.